All right, thank you for watching. This is the last song. Thank you very much. Bats won't fly in the evening time, and the rain won't fall from the hot night sky, and this place will be so far away, and I'll never come back here again. And the cane won't grow under the blue sky, and the snakes won't glide around in the dark, and I'll take the dawn train alone by myself. I'll fly into that timeless sky, and the rain won't fall, and a voice won't call, and the writing wall won't exist at all, and the girls won't dance in the old dance hall, and we'll never hear that old country drawl, and the rum and coke won't be drank at night, and the lightning sky won't shine so bright. Let it all fall down, this old country town. Were we ever really here at all? Early gray dawn mist, and while I sleep I'm dreaming too. This bed will have someone new tonight, and I'll sleep in the deep black timeless sky, and the noise won't come like it used to do, and the dawn won't dawn where the fruit trees grew, and this thing won't make sense to anybody else. I don't know, can't carry on, it's gone. And the rain won't fall, and a voice won't call, and the writing wall won't exist at all, and the girls won't dance in the old dance hall, and we'll never hear that old country drawl, and the rum and coke won't be drank at night, and the lightning sky won't shine so bright. Let it all fall down, this old country town. Were we ever really here at all? Oh. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching. This is the last song. We might do something again soon, hopefully. Thank you very much indeed. Bye. Thanks.